At the University of Kentucky Organic Farming Unit, harvested crops are brought to the packing shed for post-harvest handling. Many of the crops grown will be washed prior to storage. When crops are carried inside the packing shed, they are set on rolling conveyors or on floor pallets to keep them off of the ground. Crops can also be stacked on mini pallets and moved around the shed using a custom hand truck with forks. In the pack shed, there are 5 different wash line options. All wash lines are run off of PEX tubing. A dosatron injector can be used to inject a food-safe sanitizer, Sanidate 15O, into the wash water for food safety. In previous videos, 2 of these wash lines have already been demonstrated: the AZS rinse conveyor and the custom dunk tank with bubbler. Some crops, like loose spinach and lettuce mix, that are washed in the dunk tank will also be sent through an Electrolux Ditto Greens Machine electric vegetable dryer prior to storage. This dryer is an industrial version of a salad spinner. The other 3 wash lines include the AZS brush washer, the AZS barrel washer, and the custom bunched washing station. One of the first wash lines incorporated into the packing shed was the AZS brush washer. Crops are loaded onto a conveyor belt and carried onto rolling brushes. Crops are washed from water nozzles above, and any field soil is dislodged by the action of the brushes. Small crops may not be suitable for the brush washer, as items may fall down between the brushes. An adjustable rolling brush at the end is raised or lowered to a height corresponding to the vegetable size. The top brush is more aggressive at removing field soil. Crops emerging out of the brush washer move across latex sponges to absorb the excess water before the clean crops roll onto the sorting table. From here, workers sort, pack, and count items into clean bins. The brush washer is ideal for washing cucumbers, eggplants, kohlrabi, peppers, summer squash and zucchini, winter squash, pumpkins, and watermelons. The second wash line is the barrel washer. The barrel washer consists of a large rotating drum with a spray bar running down the length of it. The speed of the barrel can be adjusted for more aggressive wash cycles. For most crops washed in the barrel washer, a slow or medium speed around setting 4 or less is used to prevent damage to the crops. Crops are loaded into the barrel at one end. A gate at the opposite end of the barrel can be raised with a handle at the top to keep all the crops inside the barrel once it is loaded. This allows for the crops to be passively washed for the desired amount of time. Most crops only stay inside the barrel for 5 to 15 minutes. Once they are washed, the gate is lowered and crops will be pushed out onto the sorting table. Workers will sort and pack items into bins. Crops that work well in the barrel washer include root crops without greens still attached. The barrel washer is used with beets, carrots, parsnips, radishes, rutabagas, and some turnips. Items that are bunched are washed outside on the bunched washing station. This custom-built area provides 2 wash lines that are hands-free for workers. The water flow is adjusted at the nozzles above the bench. Workers have both hands free to handle crops. Crops are washed and then packed and counted into clean bins. Due to the spray volume, boots and aprons are worn to keep workers dry. The bunched wash station is used for a variety of bunched crops. Any root crop bunched with greens attached would be washed on this line. Crops washed may include bunched beets, carrots, celery, green onions, Hakurei turnips, radishes, and rhubarb. All items after washing are brought to their storage locations. Mini pallets hold stacks of 4 to 5 bins and are brought inside the coolers using the hand truck, or bins can be carried in individually by workers. Once in the cooler, bins are set down on mini pallets. At the end of the day, crops are covered with plastic pallet covers for moisture retention. Washing crops is an important part of maintaining high-quality produce. The wash process not only removes field soil, it also removes field heat. Timely hydrocooling with water and then room cooling inside the coolers extends the storage life of crops. The wash lines also give workers a second look at the product to ensure high quality vegetables are being given out to customers.